Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Daraz application on a PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure that you open the Edge browser because in Chrome browser or any other browser, it won't work. After that, at the address bar, go to the website of Daraz. Now, you need to click on three dots which is at the top right corner of the screen. You can also click Alt tab. Now, you can see Apps tab here. Hover your mouse to Apps section here and you can see Install this site as an app. Click on it. After that, you can name this application here. Now click on Install button. Click on Allow here. You can also create a desktop shortcut by checking this box here. Now click on Allow button. So that is how you can download Daraz application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.